I'm Thomas Schermerhorn, and you're watching another drawing, illustrations, and art video. In this video, I wanted to talk about why you would want to draw from real life. But first, I want to thank you for watching the channel and reading the blog. Also, I'm going to be placing these types of videos in a new playlist called Art Topics, seeing as that's what they are. I will be talking about the process of these projects in the playlist going forward. So this project that I am working on right now, the Man vs. Giant series, and any thumbnail type of things that I'm doing, I want to make the thumbnail playlist and planning process about the actual process and thinking going forward. Now then, let's talk about the drawing in the background. The drawing in the background is part of my Man vs. Giant series, and this is how far I've gotten. Okay, first things first, some backstory into why I'm doing this video. We were at Hobby Lobby, and I was looking for reference. They have these lifelike dinosaurs, which I thought were perfect for reference. That's when my niece and my nephew's mother asked, can I just use photos? Then I thought, other than the fact that these looked cool, photos are flat, and the camera can't pick up on all the color that a human eye can. There's always some type of distortion, according to James Gurney in one of his videos. I don't remember which video it was, otherwise I'd link it. I thought real life models, you can move around and play with the lighting. You can decide the pose and its height. You can't do these things with a photo. Also, if you're using someone else's photo, like from Google, it's even harder to use because it's someone else's vision. It's the way they see it, and you might not see it the same way. You might want to change it, right? You might have a different vision than what that photo is, and this is why you should always make your own reference. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and a like, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that button for that bell button for more notifications of new videos coming out. I will see you in the next one.